Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Farooq Baloch here. Today we will be talking about business ethics. All of those people who work in a business, who are business students, this is the most important concept that you must know, you must implement. We will be discussing what is business ethics, what are principles of business ethics, and what is ethical decision making. Starting with the introduction to business ethics. Business ethics refers to the moral principles and standards that guide behavior in business environment. Why business ethics matters? Because business ethics builds trust, enhances reputation, ensures legal compliance, and promotes sustainability. Ethics versus law. What are laws? Laws give the minimum legal standards, while ethics are moral responsibilities behind the law. So when we say ethics are minimum standards, it means if your neighbor dies and you do not take care of him, if your neighbor dies because of the food and you are a millionaire, then your law does not blame you, but the humanity, the moral responsibility blames you that when you have so much, then why you are not supporting your neighbor. So this is the core difference between ethics and the law. Core principles of the ethics, there are five core principles of business ethics: integrity, honesty, transparency, fairness, and accountability. If these all principles are followed, your business succeeded in the long run. If not, definitely people suffer and say bad things about your organization, and ultimately you are finished. This is the reason we need to understand the business principles. Ethical issues. What are the ethical issues company face, normally organizations fail? Corruption, fraud, discrimination, and environmental harm are four ethical issues in businesses that companies face. Ethics in management. Managers set ethical tone through the leadership policies and behavior. Ethical decision making process involves four steps, which is identifying the issue, evaluate the alternatives, decide ethically, implement and review the ethics. Corporate ethics programs, it exists in different organizations. What they do, they make a code of conduct that how employees will interact with each other. They conduct ethical trainings, and the whistleblowing mechanism also comes under the corporate ethics program. Corporate ethics programs mean that if for certain thing you feel that is being done in the organization in wrong way, then you can blow the whistle without mentioning your name. You can send the upper authorities to avoid any big injustice, fraud, or corruption that is happening in any organization. So business ethics in global context, when students teach, when we must understand three things: the cultural differences, we need to respect cultural differences and be ethical on cultural differences. Second thing is global standards we need to follow. There are different standards we will be discussing in our upcoming classes, and obviously you have to take care of the corporate governance. These are three business ethics in global context. Ethics and corporate culture. Ethical culture encourages responsible decision making. Students must show academic integrity when it comes to being ethical. They must show a responsible behavior. They must be professional. When it comes to business ethics for professionals, they must show the ethical leadership, compliance, and stakeholder management in ethical way. Ethics in age of AI, definitely data privacy. We have to not only take care of our privacy, but other privacy too. This is something ethical. There are other algorithm biases that are happening because algorithm maybe promote certain cultures or certain things. That is something that can go an ethical or unethical way in digital era, and then we must be responsible digitally. What lessons we learned from the corporate scandals and ethics, that unethical businesses eventually destroy the companies. Ethical sport, long-term environmental, social sustainability. One must think of the environment. One must be socially responsible who are ethical. Common ethical dilemmas organizations exist, that do we need to be profitable or we should be ethical? What happens that if you are not ethical, you might gain the short-term gain, but in long term you will always suffer. Anyone who cheats anybody or does not provide what is written, one day he is caught and all the efforts go in vain. Benefits of ethical business are customer loyalty, employee commitment, sustainable growth. What key takeaways we can learn from this lecture is that ethics guide business behavior, trust is competitive advantage, and ethical leadership matters. Now, this is our discussion that can a business be profitable and ethical? Yes, 100%. And in ethical organization, it is extremely important that if the company wants to survive in long run, they must be ethical. Thank you so much. See you in the next.